Hey, what's going on guys? I'm the Noob Hunter for the win, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can get your very own Snapchat filter. And no, this is not a geo filter, or no, this is not a emoji trick filter. No, this is an actual filter that you can use just like any other filter. So let me go ahead and show you guys here. So I'm going to take a picture, and as you guys can see, I don't have any custom filter yet, but that's what I'm going to be showing you guys how to get. So if you guys saw my last video, I've already done this in the past, but it got patched. But this is the new updated version for the latest version of Snapchat. So pretty much the same process. We're going to be taking this battery filter here, and we're going to be changing it with pretty much anything you want. So let me go ahead and show you guys that I am running the latest Snapchat. So Snapchat, and this is the latest. So it's 9.17.0.0. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You will need to be jailbroken though. So you can jailbreak the latest iOS 9, and I might have a jailbreak video on my channel, not sure though. So you might want to check out my channel just in case you haven't already. But yeah, you can jailbreak the latest iOS 9, and that is what I'm going to be using. You will also need a file manager. I have Filza. I personally like Filza over iFile, but you know, that's just personal preference. iFile works as well. Then you're also going to need Flex 2, and I'll get into that later in the video. But let's get started. So what you want to do is just go ahead and close Snapchat and go ahead and launch your file manager. And I'm going to go all the way back here. So go all the way back to the root of your device, and you'll know it's the root when you can't go back anymore. So then go into var, then into mobile, containers, bundle, application, and then look for Snapchat, and there it is. So then click on snapchat.app, and then scroll down to until you find the camera underscore battery filter, and here it is. So it's these two green filters here. So you're going to want to copy those, and these are the ones that you are going to be editing. And I would highly recommend you do this on a computer, because there's really no applications that you can use. Well, I guess you could use Photoshop for mobile, but there's really actually not even that works, because you need to keep them in the same image file format, which is the PNG, so it can be transparent. So as you guys can see here, it's like transparent. That's how you see it in Snapchat. But yeah, I would highly recommend you guys do this on a computer, and I will have a video up that explains how you can edit one. So go ahead and check out my channel, it will be up. So I'm gonna go through the basics, and you know, how to edit these pictures and how to actually get a full screen filter, as opposed to just editing the small filter here and only getting it, you know, on the bottom of your screen. So you can get a full screen filter. Just go ahead and check out my video. So what you want to do is pretty much just copy these, find a way to get them onto your computer, and edit them. And once you have your edited filter, so I have my edited filter here. So as you guys can see here, it is a full screen. So as you guys can see by the dimensions, it's 1080 by 1920, and the regular battery filter is only 488 by 192. So once you have your new filters, you can just delete the old ones from the Snapchat.app folder. So they're deleted now. And then go ahead and get your new filters. So copy them, and then just simply paste them into where the old filters were, and I'm just gonna go ahead here and refresh, and then double check that they are in place. So here they are, and that's pretty much it. So go ahead and quit it from the multitask, launch Snapchat, go ahead and take a picture, and as you guys can see, here it is. This is my own filter. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's really simple to do. So yeah, let me go ahead and show you guys again that the filter is there. So usually the battery filter would have gone here, but that's what we edited, and that's why we have our own filter now. And this does work for videos, so let me go ahead and take here and just scroll through my filters, and there it is. And you can send this to anybody, you can post this on your story, and I'm pretty sure you can, yep, you can put even other filters over it, so pretty cool. So yeah, that's pretty much it. But as you guys do know, whenever in order for the battery filter to show up, your device has to be like fully charged. But there is a way around that, so where the filter will show up at any charge level of your device. So that's why you need Flex 2, and that's why my old video stopped working, because Snapchat patched it. But I have found a new way to do this, so just simply follow these steps if you want your filter to show all the time. So let's begin by closing all the apps that you have running, and then open up Flex 2, and go into the Patches tab, so on the bottom left. Click on the plus button on the top, and then look for Snapchat, and then go ahead and add units. And then on the top, if this is your first time doing this, when you click on Snapchat, it's going to ask you if you want to process it. Just go ahead and process it. It will take maybe like 30 seconds or so. And then you will see that you get like a little arrow over here on the top right where it says Snapchat. So click on it, and then it will bring up some more menus here. But the thing that you want to just go ahead into the top here on the search, click on it, and then look for these 4 things here. So get battery level, and just tap on it, and then you should see a check mark pop up, and that's how you know that you've checked it. The next, you want to get battery state, and then just tap on it. And then the next one is battery status, and click on these 2 here. And yeah, those are pretty much it. So I will have this in the description, so you guys can go ahead and read through that, just in case you didn't hear me here. And you can title this patch Snapchat full battery, I guess. Full battery patch. But you can rename it to whatever you want, doesn't matter. But this is where you're gonna start editing. So let's start on the very top one with the get battery level. So just tap on it, go to the very bottom where it says return value, and then underneath it says pass through. Click on it, then click on pass through again, and this is where you want to change it to number, and then this will pop up and put a 2 right there, and then do the same for all 4. So we'll go ahead and do that now. Whoops, number 2, and then the other 2 now. And yeah, there, so I'm done. And go ahead and check it on, and then go ahead and quit Flex, and then open Snapchat up, and then take a picture or video, whatever, to make sure that it is working. As you guys can see here, it is popping up. However, my device is already on full battery, so that's why it pops up either way. And also this can work to trick your battery into thinking you have low battery. So you can actually use this so you can have 2 filters instead of 1 if you go ahead and edit the low battery filter. So you can have 2 filters instead of 1, and you're gonna look for the same units. So get battery level, and then get battery state, and then you're gonna look for battery status, and then those 2, and then just go back. And this is where it changes. Instead of putting a 2, you're gonna want to put a 1, because the 2 means full battery, the 1 means low battery. So just change it to a 1 and do it for all of them. And go ahead and double check that you did do the exact same thing for all of them, or else it's not going to work. So there, I did them all. And you can just go ahead and check it, but just know that if you check both of them on, none of them are gonna work. So you can only have one checked at a time. So I'm gonna go ahead here and check the low battery one, which is the one that we just made. So I'm just gonna call this low battery. And yeah, it's checked. So go ahead and quit Flex and then open up Snapchat. And then take a picture and then scroll through my filters. And as you guys can see here, now I have a low battery, but I actually, if you check on the top here, I have a full battery. So yeah, so you can pretty much change this filter as well, and so that way you can have two filters instead of one. And so yeah, it's pretty much better. And that's pretty much it. Just go ahead and control what battery you want or what filter by checking these here, and that's pretty much it. So definitely, if you guys found this useful, then definitely go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead, like the video, comment. If you have any problems, I do reply to pretty much every comment that I see. If you have any problems, just go ahead and ask, and I'll be more than glad to help you. So yeah, definitely though, check out my channel that shows you how to edit these pictures, because once again, if you do it on your device, it's more than likely not gonna work. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Stay tuned to the channel. I have a lot more videos coming soon. And thank you guys for watching once again. See you guys in my next video.